Go ahead and get recording. Now I should be recording inside the goggles this time as well. And so you should have audio from the Osmo Pocket 3. What's up with the language? How did I switch this into the wrong language? That's interesting. I don't think you guys can see that, but everything else is in English, so probably just a bug. All right, let's get this sucker off the ground, shall we? So there we go. The motors have started up. Let's say normal mode, even sport mode. Just cruise around for a minute in non-manual mode. I'm just gonna fly around. I think I'm in sport mode. You can see the S, the bottom left of my goggle view. And the camera angle is probably too high. That's a little better. Yeah, it's got a weird feel to it, like in this mode. It's not bad, but all right, let's go full manual here. Right now we're cruising. I love how much battery time I have on this thing. You can just cruise around, really get the feel for it before I start doing anything too crazy. Whereas before, like on my DIY drone, at most I get like 3 to 4 minutes. I gotta watch the battery the whole time because if it sinks below a certain level, it can damage the battery. All right, let's do some smooth, regular flights. Straight up UFO mode over here. That was a little close. A little closer than I'd anticipated. Back around here. That wind wants to push me to the right. I'm really fighting hard to the left. Oh, that was close. Crazy, I still have like 7 minutes of battery life left. It's like more than double what I'd have starting out with. And then 13 minutes if I bring it down conservatively like this. You can see it adjusting in real time. 11, 12. It's incredible how controllable this thing is though. Like the fact that I'm even remotely able to just kind of hover it even in this breeze. Very nimble. Can't fly backwards. Oh, almost plastic there. That's what it doesn't like, the quick yaws. You can quick yaw it, but you can't tilt it at all. It's pretty forgiving though. And it's so lightweight and unassuming that I don't feel like nervous flying it around my head. I figure worst case scenario, it kind of bonks me in the head, but it's not catastrophic. Whereas my other drone, quite a bit heavier, carbon fiber frames that are just straight plastic. It's got some weight and oomph to it. Then you get it going pretty good speed, it's like dangerous. So I'm flying along the fence line here. Let's see if I can control going between these trees. This feels a lot with this stem right here, where like the wind's not blowing it around completely, but I got quite a bit of control here. Slalom between these things. Oh, I accidentally pressed that. But that's kind of cool too. So now I can just like, if I want to do some fine-tuned flight, bring it up just a little bit. Normal mode just keeps it right above the ground. Keep it up here. Oh, I have to hold the stick there, that's why. Because it changes mode, so if I want to, I can basically hold altitude. Okay. I just have to rethink about how that works. Now I get it. So I can keep that as the altitude. Let's get back to where we are here. Still have 6 minutes left. 6+ minutes. It's crazy. It's still the first battery. It's insane. See if I can stop and hover in front of myself here. The wind is really, I'm fighting the wind to go left, but I want to just, doesn't want to strafe left. There we go. Ah! Now, interestingly, if I put it in normal mode, now it's going to do the work to fight the wind. And look at how smoothly it does. It's still fighting it, but it's doing it a lot more smoothly than I was able to. So you can still see that major tilt going on. So that's how this thing does in like a, I don't know, it's like 17-mile-an-hour winds, I think, right now. It should be hovering nice and straight, level, but the wind is coming from this direction. It's coming from this direction, it's going this way. All right, let's go back into manual. Camera tilt. It's cold out here. let's bring it in. Down to 3.5 minutes. It's crazy because like I'm barely on the throttle. I don't know if I could fly this like the beach very comfortably because we get blown into the ocean. This thing's having trouble. All right, let's bring it home. It cut my throttle output, so like I was having trouble getting back. But now we're back. All right, we're gonna land. Down to 4.5 minutes of battery. That is not bad. It's cold out here.